Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free coins on the Webtoon. So as you can see, I got 74,000 Webtoon coins right now. So I'm going to show you guys how to get a ton of coins. And it's super simple, bro. All you have to do is go ahead and go to this website. It's called zoomods.com. And once you're there, guys, just go to the search bar and type in Webtoon and you will find the Webtoon mod. So as you can see, it says Webtoon mod. So press on that. And before it downloads, you will have to do a verification by downloading 2 apps and completing the instructions. So these are completely for free and they're from the official app store. So let's just wait for this to download here just so I can show you guys how it works. But it's really simple. So yeah, peace out, guys. But this is super cool. I'll just show you guys quickly how it works. So yeah, it's really easy, guys. So let me just go ahead and do this right here. So as you can see, it loaded and it says like Webtoon mod installer. Please install 2 apps to install the mod. Additional files are required. So you just need to download 2 of these apps and complete the instructions. So as you can see, they do redirect you straight to the App Store. And you just have to download the app and you're going to be good to go. Now bear in mind, all the apps are different. So some of them are download install run for 30 seconds. Some of them are download install complete level 10. I don't really know what to tell you. I mean, they're all different. But in the end, you do get free Webtoon coins. So be sure to try us out. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, as you can see, I have 74,000 coins. So yeah, as long as you do the verification, guys, you should be good to go. So I'll see you guys later. But yeah, you got a chat window here. You can actually ask for help, which is super awesome. So as you can see, you just got to fill this out. So yeah, I mean, let me go to the App Store and we'll just type in Webtoon and see how much it costs. And let me tell you guys, it is expensive, bro. Let me pull it up. All right, so here it is. And I go to in-app purchases and you can see it's super expensive. So if you want to get everything for free, guys, be sure to try us out. See you guys later and peace out.